And the roll number is 445. We are here as a team to explain our project, Automatic Rate Sensing Umbrella. The objective of this project is the rain sensor, which senses the moisture of the rain and triggers the umbrella to on, and it helps to open the umbrella and cover the bag. The next will be shared by my friend.
My name is Hina Vaishnavi, code is 4S3. The problem statement and the issue here is during the rainy season, especially we see kids struggling to take their bags out. So we want to create a solution for it which helps the content in the bag to be durable and usable. And the next will be continued by other team members.
For this problem, existing solutions are using waterproof bags and umbrella and zipper, waterproof zipper.
So the gaps in the existing solution are, it relies on manual rather than automatic. So when we open when it is in manual condition, there is a problem, even the bag may get wet. So it's a gap in the solution. The next will be continued by
User real-time dictation and automated response mechanism, user interface and allows durability and variable resistance, low power consumption.
So the next is methodology. To create this project, we require Arduino board, jumper wires, water sensor and servo motors. So when the water is detected by the sensor, it passes the signal to the Arduino board, which is already programmed. So the Arduino board then passes the signal to the servo motors, which rotates and allows the umbrella to open. And when the sensor doesn't detect any rain, the umbrella automatically closes. So this is the methodology of the project, automatic rain sensing umbrella.
So finally, as a team, we conclude that this rain sensing umbrella will help the school-going children and college-going students to safeguard their stationery and books. Thank you. So the output of this project is,
So this is the sensor. So when we put water on it, so automatically color comes up. So and when the sensor gets dry, automatically the umbrella closes. So this is how it prevents from water during the rainy seasons.
here we are using rain sensor, servo motors, Arduino and JP wires.
So currently we are using the power bank as the power source for this project. In our future days, we can even use the solar cell as the power supply. And next, the features which we can add for this bag will be told by
The new features we can add are we can even connect it to an app which has a connectivity to the parents and as well as teachers. We can also give the nearby shelters which have less rains if it's very heavy. We can also add wind sensors according to the dispenser, and we can also add an interactive voice tool to put the cover end off. Thank you.
Now the present project is used for only bags, school bags, college bags, and further update it is used for users also. It covers users. Thank you.
So this is the demo video of our project output. When the water is sensed, the umbrella comes up automatically, and when the sensor doesn't have any moisture, it goes back.